We're doing a unit called Make Your Own Fun, and right now the students are doing the trial of their games. So the idea is for them to make a game that is more of a fair type of game.
And it's all about human-centered kind of design where they've got real-life clients. In this case, the grade 9s are working with the grade 4s, and it was all about trying to design an outdoor Funfair type kind of game so that they can come along and enjoy it and be part of the design process as well.
We're currently having a Funfair for the 4th graders, and all the 9th graders were supposed to make a game that the kids could play.
And now we're testing them. We have questions that we're going to ask them, and we're getting feedback on our game and how good or bad they are, and if they like it or not.
Some are easy to play, and some I think need a little bit more work, but if they put some more work into it, I think they're going to get much better.
I think they're really nice in how they use a lot of creativity to make them.
I think the grade 9s did a very awesome and cool job, and I think the activities are you have to have some skills and you have to actually try to challenge, and also it's I like the themes too.